Go high on style, low on maintenance with the Overachievers. Home is now the place for work and play that calls for family-friendly surfaces that can handle it all and look like new for years to come. Homeowners are opting for ultra-durable materials that offer a luxury feel. Topping the list is a Q Premium Natural Quartz with Luminlux for stunning depth and veining. Virtually indestructible, too. Carry it from countertop to backsplash for added drama and protection. Easy as can be, quartz doesn't require sealing, polishing, or reconditioning. Looking for durable flooring? Step into the world of Everlife surfaces. Marble Look LVT with a Crystallux scratch-resistant wear layer and waterproof finish. It's perfect for flooring, even in the bathroom. From a heavy smoky gray look to thin wispy veining, there's a style for every aesthetic. Hardwood lives on through hybrid rigid core, a game changer in the waterproof surfaces. Get that rich, timeless look in calming hues fit for everyone. Designed with life in mind, you don't have to worry about scratches or bathtub splashes. It's 100% waterproof. Zero-slip porcelain tile is also in style. These stunning, slip-resistant surfaces were made to last and outperform other materials. Fill your favorite spaces with moody gray and blue hues for the kind of comfort we could all use. The XL Cyrus collection gives you the warmth of wood with the ease of LVT in a gorgeous, large format plank. Every color features subtle knots and soft graining. Explore more of the Overachievers and design your space without a worry.